So we said that a rational number is a number which is written as, so this is a rational number. It's any number which is written as a over b, where the top number and the bottom number are both integers, and the bottom number cannot be 0. So let me show you how. Any integer number is also a rational number. So let's just say we let the bottom number equal to 1. Then as long as the top number is any integer, which we'll write as a, it should still be a rational number. So let's say I said 3 over 1. That would be the same thing as 3, which is an integer. What if I said negative 2? What if I said negative 2 over 1? That would be the same thing as negative 2, right? Because you have, in this case, you have 3 ones. You have negative 2 ones. It simplifies, the fraction simplifies to negative 2, and the fraction simplifies to 3. So you give me any positive or negative number for the top number, and I can just give you an integer. So you say, oh yeah, well, what about negative 500? Okay, well, let the top number in the rational be negative 500, and let the bottom number be 1. That just simplifies to negative 500. So even though you are given, let's say you're given a number like 7, I'm telling you that's a rational number. And you'll say, okay, but where's the bottom number? You said that a rational number should be written in this form, where you have an integer at the top and the bottom. Well, I'll just say to you, the 1 is already there. Because 7 is the same thing as 7 over 1. So we can say that all integers are just rational numbers, just setting the bottom, the denominator, equal to 1. We don't have to write it there. Like if you have any integer over 1, it's just the same thing as writing that integer number. There's no point in writing 1 over and over and over. There's no point of writing 9 over 1 or 10 over 1. You just say 10. So you can see how any integer can be written as a rational number. So let me just show you. Last time, let's just have these little boxes. So let's put natural. Let's say we have successively bigger boxes. Now, this is another way of saying exactly what I was just talking about. If you have a natural number, it's contained in this box of whole numbers. So any natural number is also a whole number. Any whole number is also an integer. It's contained inside of the integers. So any whole number is also inside the integers. And I just showed you right now that if you have any integer, it's contained in the rational numbers. So what we're doing is we're taking these number classifications, that's what we're calling each number class, and we're abstracting. We're making it more general. So we're saying that any number here is also this number. Any number that's a whole number is also an integer. Any number an integer is also rational. And then you might be saying, okay, well, how far can you take this? And then, well, you can take it pretty far. I don't even know like the upper limit for it, because that's like higher level university. I'm not there yet. But I do know this. I know the next classification that we'll get to. There's actually 2 more classifications, but we'll just talk about one more.